Hi everyone, I am Dr. Saravanan. I am from Dr. ALM PG IBMS. I did my doctoral degree in medical microbiology department. Came out with a few national awards. Today I am going to talk about why cancer is coming, what is it, when it comes, where it occurs, different types of cancers, how to prevent it, and what is the implication of organic lifestyle with the onset of cancer. I make it as simple as possible because it's the oncology department itself is like a Greek and Latin one, and for medical faculties it is a difficult subject to understand. First, what is a cancer? Cancer is the failure of apoptosis. Apoptosis, APOPTOSIS. Apoptosis. It is the blessing from God to repair our DNA. Our failure in the regulatory mechanism to repair that is called the apoptosis. So programmed cell death. It has to die. A cell, when it forms, it has to die at one particular stage, and the renewal of the cellular system by cell cycle takes place. So why the repair mechanism stops? Apoptosis stops. There are so many concepts, so many theories and explanations available. I tell you the simplest one. It is actually happening in the DNA. There are several genes that are regulating our system and giving the protein. That structural protein gives our body shape, our shape, size, structure, vision, hearing, every organs and their functions are controlled by DNA. So there are some DNA called oncogenes, cancer causing genes. Example, MYC, RAS, RAVE, NIF, so many genes are there. And these are in almost all the human beings. So everyone is entitled to become cancerous. And there are other counter oncogenes like P52. They are working by a mechanism called epistasis. They control the cancer. So this is the regulatory mechanism going on in our body. Not everyone is becoming cancerous. Why then cancer is coming? It is the altered lifestyle. We have made everything very complicated, from agriculture to our day-to-day living lifestyle. In agriculture, it is very complicated nowadays. It's a simple one. Agriculture is the plants which are autotrophs. They should grow on their own and they should give the yield to a human being. And we are using so much of chemicals and other synthetic materials like pesticides. Therefore, we become cancer at one stage. How becomes it cancerous? There is a mechanism called biomagnification. In our body, daily we consume little by little some toxic materials along with our food. We inhale along with our air. We drink those oncogenic materials in the way of water or cool drinks or something like that. So in all the ways and means, we send inside our body these oncogenic materials. They at one stage, it's called biomagnification. The rate at which our body excretes is reduced. So at one fine morning, the quantity of the toxic material inside your body is in such a way it can cause the inflammation, which can affect the apoptosis. So the apoptosis meaning a program is done for a cell to die at one particular stage. So when it stops dying, it becomes cancerous. it lives very long period or no end for it, and automatically it grows at the cost of the neighboring cells and their systems. So it is cancerous, and there are some cancers called tumors. They become very big in size. The blood cancer, there won't be any tumor. Uncontrolled growth is nothing but cancer. So this is how, by way of toxic materials consuming inside, we are becoming cancerous. So wherever the cancer forms, we give it a name. It is like mouth cancer, oral cancer, or peptic, or gut, gastrointestinal tract, ileal cancer, stomach cancer, esophageal cancer, so many things. All different organs now becoming cancerous, and they give that particular name. Cervical cancer, ovarian cancer, breast cancer, like that. So these are the classifications they undergo, like they have given a phase manner: first phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase, and the end one is the death phase. All these things are avoidable. How we can avoid? Knowingly we select, because of the cost factor, we go for the cheap one, the chemically grown food we take, and the preserved food, the junk food. All these food are cancer causing agents. We should understand the implication of the organic lifestyle. So we can definitely go for organic lifestyle right from the food. Take the food which is organically grown. You can grow on yourself, or some people join together can grow your own food, or you check by your own eyes whether it is organically grown or not. What is organically grown? No usage of chemicals, recycling of the natural materials, and harvesting the solar energy. This is how you are doing the organic agriculture: waste recycling and harvesting solar energy. Just these two are called organic agriculture. You can use some bioagents, beneficiary microbes. They can help the plants to grow well and give organic food to you. So this is how you can prevent the cancer. So you can ask me, sir, I am always taking organic food, but I am in spite of that I get cancer, or in my family people are getting cancer. Why is it so? Yeah, it's a good question. Not only food, your stress level, that is one of the very important factor. You inflammate yourself, your body becomes heat when you become anger, or when you are isolated you become very sad. The stress level is very high. It even makes the people to go to coma. So depression is a type of disease that is not at all a disease. There is no such a problem in the human being. Their thought and their mindset is giving depression. For those people, if you give real problem, then they will come out of the depression. So there are several factors which can stimulate cancer, but this is very important one nowadays: the herbicides, pesticides, fungicides, bactericides. The sites are all like causing like suicide. So you can avoid all these things, usage of all these things in the agriculture, and make your life very healthy lifestyle. And body exertion, at least 20 to 30 minutes you have to exert your body. The waste toxic material should go out of your body through your derma, the skin. And you can do small breathing exercises quite often, and you can make the oxygen level, oxidation going on in your body, giving you the energy. Because even whatever you eat, if oxygen is not there, you cannot burn it out and you cannot get the energy out of it. So oxygen level should go up. So with this small explanation, I would like to stress the organic lifestyle not only limited with agriculture. In our day-to-day life usage, now bioenzymes are available. These bioenzymes can be used for cloth washing, your floor cleaning, your toilet, table, chair, furniture, car, bench, everything. You can clean it with the enzymes like protease, lipase, amylase, pectinase, lecithinase. These enzymes are biodegradable, environmental friendly, and your body accepts it because it has its own lifetime. They will die. But chemical doesn't have the lifetime. It go and gets accumulated in your body. At one stage, your body loses that inflammation is beyond a level. It stimulates the cancer-causing gene and make the body to lose apoptosis, and automatically the uncontrolled growth of any particular cell. Kidney cell, uncontrolled, meaning what? Kidney cancer or renal cancer. So hepatic, liver cancer, pancreas, pancreatic cancer. Pancreas are nowadays to the best level being damaged by the food, and that's the reason why so many people are becoming diabetes, IDDM, NIDDM, that is type 1, type 2. This NIDDM type 2 diabetes is mainly due to this lifestyle change. So please be aware of the organic agriculture, organic lifestyle, and please change your lifestyle. Take some bioenzymes, use them in your day-to-day affair, and get avoided from the dreaded disease called cancer. Thank you for the opportunity.